Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indun jaba. Giga-waasakonetamaagoowaag, gizis, dibiki gizis, minawa nungug. This is a pretty common Ojibwe expression or saying. The late Tom Stillday and Anna Gibbs often used it at the end of a ceremony or a gathering. And it simply means that you all will have your way lighted by the sun, the moon, and the stars. And although it's a simple expression on its surface, it actually is a metaphor for a deeper sentiment or saying. So all of us, everything on planet Earth, including our bodies, are really made out of stardust. And there are many tribes, not just the Ojibwe, who speak about this, like our connection to the stars and the cosmos and things like that. And so if you think about it, by saying this, it's really saying, I hope that you all will have your way lighted or guided by the universe, the cosmos, the spirits, around, amongst, and even within us. So it's a way of saying that I hope you're guided on your journey and arrive home safely. Giga-waasakonetamaagoowaag, gizis dibiki gizis minawa hanungug. Ahaw miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.